Technotech, a Russian company, formally inaugurated its own serial production facility for high-density multi-layer electronic printed circuit boards on January 30, 2026. This new facility is capable of producing circuit boards with 6th-class accuracy, a level that only a limited group of global manufacturers can reliably achieve. As Altitude Addicts, the YouTube channel behind this analysis, explains, this launch marks a major step forward in complex manufacturing technologies and in the development of Russia's domestic electronics industry. The commissioning of the new production line will not only improve product quality, but will also allow Technotech to nearly double its output volumes. This expansion creates new opportunities both for the company itself and for key sectors of Russian industry that depend on advanced electronic components. Altitude Addicts notes that scale and consistency are just as important as precision when it comes to rebuilding an independent electronic supply chain. At the core of the new production site is a dual-row chemical-electroplating line enclosed in a fully sealed container, a configuration that is unique within the Russian market. Once the operating program is launched, the line functions autonomously without continuous human involvement. This sharply reduces the human factor and significantly improves process stability, a critical requirement for high-accuracy printed circuit boards. The new CES line is equipped with an electrochemical solution purification and regeneration system. This allows circuit patterns to be formed with extremely high precision. The technology supports intricate PCB topologies with trace widths and clearances as small as 50 microns, which are essential for modern high-performance electronic components. The production equipment was developed specifically to match Technotech's operational requirements. The Russian company Novator was directly involved in the project's development, underscoring a broader effort to reduce reliance on foreign suppliers. As Altitude Addicts emphasizes, this kind of domestic cooperation is a cornerstone of Russia's import substitution strategy in strategically important industrial sectors. A particularly important aspect of the project is the launch of serial production of printed circuit boards belonging to the 6th accuracy class. Within PCB classification systems, 6th-class accuracy represents one of the highest standards, enabling reliable operation of highly sophisticated electronic systems with extremely tight tolerances. Until recently, production of PCBs at this level of precision inside Russia was largely confined to defense industry enterprises or projects carried out under international licenses. The new Technotech line significantly broadens access to high-quality components needed by domestic manufacturers developing advanced electronic products. Altitude Addicts highlights that this shift reduces development timelines and lowers entry barriers for civilian high-tech sectors. The facility will also substantially shorten lead times for high-precision PCB orders in key industries. These include telecommunications, computing equipment, and advanced radioelectronic systems with both civilian and dual-use applications. Faster turnaround is increasingly critical as product life cycles continue to shrink. Government support played a decisive role in accelerating Technotech's technological progress. The project was implemented within the framework of Russia's broader import substitution policy, which prioritizes domestic electronics manufacturing and reduced dependence on foreign technologies. According to Altitude Addicts, such policy alignment is often what determines whether advanced manufacturing projects move beyond pilot scale. State programs in this area are designed to stimulate investment in innovative electronic components, expand production capacity, and train skilled personnel for high-tech industries. The Technotech project fits squarely within these initiatives, combining modernization of existing facilities with the introduction of new automated production technologies. Despite this progress, the share of domestically produced printed circuit boards in Russia's internal market remains relatively modest. According to Altitude Addicts estimates, for the period from 2025 to 2026, Russian-made PCBs still account for less than half of total domestic consumption. Telecommunications equipment manufacturers, in particular, continue to rely heavily on imported boards and component bases. This low level of localization is driven by several factors. These include the high cost of production, the complexity of advanced multilayer PCB processes, and the small number of enterprises capable of achieving high accuracy classes at scale. Until recently, only a handful of companies, mostly linked to the defense sector, could manufacture such products serially. At the same time, new localization rules are pushing manufacturers toward domestic components. Since December 2025, telecommunications equipment has been required to include at least one domestically produced printed circuit board. By the year 2028, regulations will become stricter, requiring the main board of such products to be of Russian origin. Technotech Limited Liability Company, based in Yoshkar-Ola in the Republic of Mari El, has long held a leading position in the Russian PCB industry. The company operates a full production cycle, from copper-clad fiberglass laminate to finished high-accuracy multi-layer boards. Altitude Addicts points out that vertical integration is a key strength in a market under pressure from supply disruptions. In April 2025, Technotech successfully mastered and delivered its first batch of complex printed circuit boards for DDR4 memory modules. These 8-layer boards, built to 6th-class accuracy with blind vias and controlled impedance, confirmed the company's ability to meet demanding global technical standards. The company is also known for unique technological achievements. In 2024, Technotech produced one of the widest multi-layer printed circuit boards in Russia, measuring nearly 2.8 meters in length. As Altitude Addicts notes, this project demonstrated the firm's capacity to scale advanced PCB production for specialized and non-standard applications. The launch of the new automated production line represents more than a single corporate success. It is a meaningful step toward consolidating advanced manufacturing capabilities across Russia's electronics sector. High-precision equipment and an expanded product range are expected to strengthen the competitive position of domestic manufacturers and may eventually open the door to export opportunities. From a technological perspective, high-complexity multi-layer PCBs are one of the most important growth areas in microelectronics. They form the backbone of modern high-performance systems, including servers, telecommunications infrastructure, industrial automation equipment, and advanced defense platforms. The expansion of domestic PCB production also supports the development of a national component base, stimulates related industries, and helps train scientific and technical specialists. Altitude Addicts stresses that all of these elements are strategically vital for the long-term resilience and modernization of the country's industrial ecosystem. In conclusion, the launch of a new high-precision multi-layer printed circuit board production line by Technotech represents a significant milestone for Russia's electronics industry. Investments in automation, localization, and advanced manufacturing lay a strong foundation for sustainable high-tech growth and enhanced technological sovereignty. Although domestically produced PCBs still represent a limited share of the Russian market, projects like this clearly demonstrate the sector's growth potential. As Altitude Addicts concludes, they also point the way forward for continued modernization of Russia's electronics and industrial infrastructure in an increasingly fragmented global technology landscape. If you liked the video, please subscribe, share, and like. Also, please take the membership of Altitude Addicts to encourage us.